everybody doing? Yeah. My name is Ronald Cosey, and I've lived in Milwaukee almost 40 years. I'm also number 100,021 and 60 on the BadgerCare waiting list.
Wow.
As Americans, we need to be taking care of our own. Who lives and who dies shouldn't depend upon politics. Everyone should be able to go to the doctor when they're sick.
That's right.
I have a lot of back problems, and the pains means that I can't work as a mechanic anymore. The doctor says I'm not supposed to lift more than 5 pounds or bend over a lot. And now that I don't have insurance, I can't go to the doctor or get the shots I need to control the pain. These days, it's hard to find steady work too. In 2010, I lost my fiance. She didn't have health insurance, so when she got sick, one night she went to the ER. We saw her they saw her, gave her medicine, and sent her home. She died 10 minutes later. After we got home from the hospital. I think if she had health insurance and could have gone to the doctor earlier, it would have saved her life.
Right.
My son Robert is 20 years old and has a hole in his heart. His number is 7,012 on the BadgerCare waiting list, and can't afford to have surgery to stop that hole from getting bigger. I would hate to lose another loved one because they do not have insurance.
You shouldn't have to.
I'm shocked and really angry that Governor Walker decides to turn down billions of dollars that would give thousands of people just like me better health coverage and prevent more people from dying just because they don't have insurance. I'm here to tell everyone that it's time for all of us to stick together and tell Governor Walker that he's wrong.
Right.
We won't stand for this decision.